Hi, in this video we are going to understand something called as defense models in security.
심장이 뛰지 않는데 너는 음악을 들을 때 또 시간
I say defense models because these models are developed and also coined in such a way that they are used for securing your data. Your system can have data in the form of image, audio, video, file, etc. These data can be confidential or can be even non-confidential. So if this data is confidential, you need to protect that data. So you need to focus on the framework, which basically is this, that is defense models. Defense models will tell you how to secure your data. So let's dive into it and explore more about defense models in security. What are they? How are they layered? How they are formed, etc. The first model is a lollipop model. This is lollipop model because this model basically relates with an analogy of a lollipop. Now, a lollipop has a chocolate at the center. Around the chocolate, there is a syrup, flavored syrup coated. The kid, I mean to say the user here, will lick that syrup and will get exposure to the central chocolate. The kid needs to lick and lick to get exposed to the central chocolate. If you map this analogy to this model over here, the user here is the hacker. The hacker needs to break only one layer of security in order to get access to the asset. In this case, it is username and password. If the hacker breaks this layer of security, he can get the access to the asset, which is very dangerous. He can do anything with the asset. I mean to say, like, he can get access, he can then demand money and also can threaten the original user of that asset. So lollipop model is not suitable for defense. Seeing the drawbacks of lollipop model, a new model came into picture, which is known as the onion model. Now, onion model has a relationship with an analogy of an onion. Onion is composed of layers. Peeling these layers gets you to the core of the onion. Peeling these layers also will bring tears to your eyes. Now, keeping this layer in mind, we will understand the onion model. The hacker is the user here. He needs to break different layers in order to get access to the asset. Breaking these layers should bring tears to his eyes. Means breaking these layers should be very complex and challenging for the hacker. In this case, we have 5 different layers. There can be more than 5 layers for securing the asset. I have shown here only 5. It is firewall, IDS, IPS, authentication, authorization, cryptogram. Hacker needs to break each and every layer to get access to the asset. Breaking each layer should bring tears to his eyes. So this model is suitable for network security. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Please, if you did, like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.